Okay, this is a 3.5 floppy out of a computer that I already scrapped. I'm going to take it apart. I like to start by just getting out as many screws as I can. You know, you could just start smashing right away. This one's gonna get smashed. Could just start smashing right away. I got some tin, some more tin. Got some two little screws right here. I want that little screw out. Got it. It's a mid-grade board. My scrapyard will still buy it as mid-grade, number 1. This top half of this is always brass on these little servo motors. A little piece of brass, copper bearing motor. Now there's not much left in this. This is pretty much all tin. But I am gonna this more tin. Before I cut my other fingers, put my gloves on. Now you can just rip and tear. Got some tin. Now, underneath this, copper bearing motor. This is a brushless motor. Probably could have just left that right on there, but I wanted to get the brass out because this right here is brass. I broke it. But I also wanted to get out the copper bearing motor. I always throw this on my copper bearing bucket. This is the other head. They'll buy it like that. They're dummies. And this little rod. This is typically brass. Yeah, it is. That's brass. I just got these 3 little screws to take out, and that's it. There's my little piece of brass. There's another little chunk of circuit board in there, but the screws are so tiny I don't want to mess with it. And plus it's junk circuit board. So not that bad. Got some tin, some brass, some copper bearing motor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.